Hi, Michelle. How you doing? I've got your workup right here, progress. So let's go ahead and take a look now. I noticed you submitted a zip folder, so I downloaded it and I opened it, and I found inside the zip folder I found your I found it this page here, which looks like I'm not exactly sure what this page is. There's no description at all. And then we have a couple of other things. It looks like this is the logo. Then you have some pages that look like user testing photographs, but there's no descriptions at all. And I got to be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure what I'm looking at here, because there's no descriptions at all. There's just images. So I'm not real sure how these correspond to user testing. At this point, your process book should, to a very high degree, should reflect the process. Okay. Now, if you jump over to, let me see, what was it? Oh, it was week two grading. And grading comments in week two, I've given you a list of all of the things that need to be included in the process book. So we need a statement of intent, the definition of the problem, app solution proposal, functions and features of the app, research findings, including your target audience, three main functions of the app, and your analysis of the competition. We need that competitive comparative analysis. You need to define your target audience, give three personas with, I recommend two scenarios, but we need at least one scenario. Then you need your wireframes of all screens. Okay, wireframes are different than paper prototypes. It looks like what you've listed here are paper prototypes. So we need wireframes of all the screens in the app. You've got photographs of your paper prototypes, but you need summary of tasks for usability testing. So that's describing the tasks you're giving to the people you're testing. And here's an example of that. And this is the treehouse example. Here's usability testing. So here's a summary of the tasks. So these are the things that the designer has asked the testing individuals to perform, these tasks right here. So you definitely want to include that. You want images of your testing sessions. So that's an image of people actually clicking the buttons on the paper prototype that you asked them to complete specific tasks. You'll need a written analysis summarizing the results of all your training sessions. I'm sorry, your testing sessions. Digital mock-ups of all screens. And then finally, your final click-through prototype, which is due during this week, but a bibliography including research and image resources. Now, use this. This is that treehouse example, and that was supplied in the class. I would definitely use this. I mean, this is great. It gives everything. It really shows how to do everything. So I highly recommend you use this as a basis for your research and presentation, and use this for inspiration as well in terms of developing graphics for the app. Okay, so again, at this point, Michelle, I don't want to sound discouraging, but we're really super underdeveloped right now. I don't see the process book at all. All I'm seeing in this is the logo. As I said, there's this page that I'm just not exactly sure what this is, without written descriptions. And then we have images of the paper prototypes. But again, there's no testing going on here. You have to tell the viewer what you have asked the test subject to complete, and show the screens that show them where they would click. Do you see what I'm saying? So, all right. So if you've got any questions, go ahead and let me know. But I think that we really have to get this to presentation format by the end of this week. So again, if you need any help, if you need any comments or suggestions, feel free to let me know. All right. Thank you very much.